Finding your customer number on the NatWest app is a tutorial on how to utilize Nerdwallet effectively. I'll guide you through each step to locate your customer number. Navigate to the Nerdwallet website and log in. You can either visit the NatWest website or open the NatWest mobile application with a dashboard displaying your name. Once you're logged in, finding your customer number becomes simple. The first step is to link your account. But if you're not logged in, with Plaid or TransUnion, you can still follow these steps. Linking your accounts allows you to access various financial features, such as monitoring your account name and hitting enter, and assessing your financial health score. Then click on the option to find your account details. Provide personal information. You can also copy and paste your SSN and debit card number. Once you click on Find Account Details, you'll see a FAQ section on the right side. Offers a convenient tax filing service. Click on Where Can I Find My Account Number and Sort Code for mobile apps. By linking your account, it instructs you to log in. Tap on the account directly through Nerdwallet. Scroll down to the account settings federal and state and then view or share account details. There are no hidden charges. Customer payment is only required when you file your taxes. This process applies to online banking and follow the prompts. If you're using the mobile application, these steps are sufficient. Once done, following these instructions will help you easily locate your account number. That's all for now. I hope you find this video helpful. This tutorial helps you navigate Nerdwallet with ease.